EA Unified Control of Grid Interactive Off-Board EV Battery Charger with Improved Power Quality, Abstract. The main objective of this project is to implement the self-tuning filter and sliding mode control-based control algorithm for a grid interactive off-board electric vehicle battery charger to power the EV batteries and simultaneously improve the grid power quality. Here is our website, which you can find the EEE projects and explore various other domains on www.takeoffprojects.com. From EEE simulations to projects spanning diverse fields, our website offers a rich collection to satisfy your curiosity. Whether you're seeking titles or abstracts, our platform provides easy access to the project resources. Embark on a journey of discovery and innovation by visiting our website today and dive into the world of exciting projects and research. Document. In Document, we can provide abstract introduction, literature survey, keywords in different stages based on project. Take note of keywords as chapters, proposed system, result discussion, conclusion, future scope and references. PPT. In PPT, we can provide abstract introduction, literature survey, existing method, disadvantages, proposed method, proposed block diagram, advantages, simulation diagram results, applications, software, hardware requirements, conclusion, references. Results. In this project, the grid delivered the three-phase EC power to the bi-directional switch through RC filter, and the bi-directional switch operates on 4-quadrant operation to provide power to G2V and V2G, and an RC filter is connected to reduce circuit ripple. The bidirectional switches delivered grid EC power to the cascaded H-bridge 7-level grid converter, residential load, and non-linear EV load. Here, CHVDC convert AC power and delivered it to the bidirectional DC converter for electric vehicle charging. This project was implemented and tested using MATLAB and Simulink software. This software is user-friendly and easy to understand. In this project, an STF and SMC-based efficient control strategy by considering G2V, V2G, C4G, and V2L operation modes, incorporating an EV charger as an active element that stores, consumes, and provides energy. Thank you for watching. For more details, contact 9030 333 433.